Hello viewers, welcome to the Finable Consulting channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to create a new database in Odoo in a quick and simpler way. So let's get started. For that, you just have to open any browser and just type odoo.com. Okay. After that, you just have to click on try it free option because if we are creating a database, so it will ask you a choose your app option. So whatever app you want to try in Odoo, just click on that and click continue option. So now it will ask you few basic details like first name, company name, email address. Fill that and click on start now option. After that, you have to click on sign in option and then type email address and password of Odoo. Once you click on sign in option, your new database will be created. Once you done, click on connect. You will be taken to your dashboard. That's it. Your Odoo database is ready to use. If you found this helpful, please like the video and follow to Finable Consulting for more Odoo tips. See you in the next video.